Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness. Physical illnesses are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my fountain of youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page be a blessing to you. Your word of the day, Leo, is acceptance. You're in the right place, right time, right thoughts, right obstacles, right lessons that you are learning. You're not staying in the ditch. You are also always, once you are in the ditch, you climb your way out. Once you find yourself in a maze, you are finding the directions and you're finding your way out of the maze. You are becoming stronger. You are getting closer to a breakthrough. You're becoming a stronger leader, which you are naturally a leader. My kings, my queens, my Rajas, my emperor. You are a natural leader for your kingdom. So things that you're going through is not for your detriment, it's for your benefit. So accept the things that are new to your reality. You outgrow people, places, habits, activities, maybe even jobs. And you're creating something new where you can't take the old you into this new future. I accept every step that life presents to me without resistance, because once you don't resist, you're becoming stronger. You're ready for the new blessings. Don't fight evolving. We're going to change no matter what, if we try or if we don't, mindfully, unmindfully. You might as well be conscious and try to make sure you change to the best of your ability to be an all-powerful being and ready, instead of being forced to due to age, time, because time changes. Therefore, you have to also. I try to find out what the universe is trying to teach me so I can grow. Thus, I advance in freedom, path, into my light. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself, and please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page be a blessing to you. I love you.